I first started working for the city of Pittsfield in 1986. In the beginning of this job, I saw a lot of things that I wanted to change. It was disorganized, there was no oversight. We did not have a parts inventory written down or otherwise. Everything was pretty much a mess. In the late 90s, I decided to make a big change in my life, so I moved out. Had the occasion to work at the city of Sparks, where they were using the RTA system, and I was impressed with that, how it worked, how it kept track of everything, how we had access to all of the data of the vehicles we were working on, and we were able to accurately track all of the things that needed to be done. When I had the opportunity to come back here, nothing much had changed in the 14 years I was gone. Basically paper work orders, there was only tracking PMs by a book that, no one really updated, so it was questionable as to what has been done, what needs to be done. You'd have to have another 2 people to file all the papers that we had, no one had filed. I mean, a big stack of papers on my desk, and it's driving me crazy, and I'm like, I can't deal with this. I need to change that. So remembering my time using the RTA system, I was able to figure that, geez, maybe I should check this out. And then I checked out a couple other programs. But RTA was a ready built program ready to go that just needed my input. I input my data, got the guys started with a easy 1-day training so they could use the paperless shop. They're logging their own parts. They're double checking what's been done to the vehicle. They're inputting what they did, so I don't have to decipher their handwriting or try and figure what happened here, what happened there. I need more information. I don't have time for all that stuff. I'm only one person. After 38 years working in this industry, having worked from the bottom all the way up to where I'm at now, I've seen things from both sides, and I really wanted to make a difference in the way things worked. RTA has really helped me do that.